Hi everyone, in this video I am gonna show you how to disable Windows Update permanently. One trick is common but next secret is probably new for you and it's very easy as well. Be sure to watch this video till the end and follow my steps. Let's dig in. Well guys, if we have old computer, we often face hang and lag problem. Especially when Windows update process happen in the background and sometimes we may have to save the internet bill because of the limited data package and bandwidth. There are many ways to disable or block the Windows update. Being beginner friendly channel, in this tutorial I am gonna show you only 2 easy ways to turn off the automatic update of Windows 11. Don't worry guys, this trick does work on Windows 10, 8 or even in Windows 7 as well. Well guys, if your problem is solved, be sure to hit the like, subscribe and comment below. Hey wait, if possible you can share it to your friends as well. Now go to start button and click it. And again click on search section and type services. And hit run as administrator. Now you can see lot of other services running in the Windows. Just skip all and scroll down till we find Windows Update. Now click here and right click and go to properties, and in this general section at first we must stop the service in the service status section. Then we just go to startup type and click on drop down menu and choose disabled. Now we go to recovery panel and in first failure section again click the drop down menu and choose take no action and other leave as it is and hit the apply button. Next, again to completely disable Windows Update we have to go for Windows Update Medic service. You may not see if you have very old version of Windows, and now right click again, go to properties, and in general section we must stop the service in the service status section. Then we just go to startup type and click on the drop down menu. And here come the tricky and risky part guys. Choose disabled. You see the message pop up, the access is denied. Now to disable it we have to change the start value of Windows Update Medic service from the registry editor. Let's do it now. Again go to start menu and type regedit and hit enter. You can see the path in the screen or just follow me. Now let's go step by step. First we go to ESC local machine and single click on it and click at this drop down greater than sign. Now we go to system, current control set, services, was medic service. Now go to start, right click and click modify and change this value data to 4 and hit OK. We no need to touch the recovery panel, so leave it as it is. That's all my friend. If you are confused with these steps, just follow the next secret step. Second secret trick. I call this safe and secure method. Well, for this you have to download very small portable software and it is 100% free. I must give heads up to this genius showdown team. The link is in the description, don't worry. It don't have any virus or adware. After downloading this file, keep it wherever you prefer so that you can switch on or off whenever necessary. Actually, Windows Update is very necessary for PC. So, I recommend you to keep it on when there is major update and security patch is launched from the Microsoft. Now my system is 64-bit, so I go for 64-bit launch. Choose according to your system type. And now to block the Windows Update, simply click on Disable Update Radio button and tick on Protect Service Setting and hit Apply now. See the service status, it's turned to red. Now you can exit it. If you want to update the window, just hit click on the Enable Update Radio button and apply. It will turn to green color. That's all. Now you can enjoy friends. If your problem is fixed, please hit the like and subscribe my channel. Thanks for watching this video. See you in the next interesting video. Take care.